the frick is going on? Well, to keep you in the loop here, I taped off all the little, probably tape off a few more things still, but or maybe, but we took this gate air pump off, and we're slowly taking off pretty much all the shit I don't need. Try and clean up this engine a little. Then we're gonna power spray it. In full progress here, boys. Gonna get her up on there. I'm gonna slide her on. Hopefully everything lines up. It's looking like it should. It's always looking like it should until it doesn't. Okay. Difference from the back there. So I could probably take that section and put it on there, but we're not even gonna fuck around with that. We could split it right here and then mate that section right there to go on, but it's too much fucking around. So we're getting her, boys. She's everything seems to be lining up pretty good. I got a bolt started. I'm gonna start one on each side, and we're gonna start tightening them up together, see what happens. Just watching all of our gaps. It needs to come over on this side. We got her, boys. Had to put the jack under there because she kept wanting to slip. We just put that under that side. I put a block of wood under the trans was a little to hold it straight. And she is on, boys. I'm just Loctiting all my shit. Fucking believe in yourself, because if you believe in yourself, you might actually fucking get something sick done. Quick little tip just before you fucking bolt her up. You want to slip that in there. I forgot that last little piece. That's the cover for the last, for the bell housing, because if you snug it up tight, you won't be able to kind of get it in there. So I missed a step, but I got her. So we're putting her back now. Put my starter on. Fucked up. Got all bent when I yanked it, but we can just tap it back into place. Looking good, boys. Got my distributor off right now. The old trans linkage, but I'm not gonna need this because I'm running the B&M 3-speed shifter. It comes with all the linkage. Universal, but we'll keep it. We got ports for like sensors and shit. T-case will go on right there. So she's going back in the shed for the last time. Next time she comes out, she'll be going in the truck, which will be next week once I get these fucking leaf springs. Because I'm not gonna put the motor in until I have the axle in. Doesn't really make any sense. So she's pretty much ready to go in now. Prepped, cleaned her, and I put all new seals and gaskets. I did these plugs last year, so, and the spark plugs, so they're still good. Maybe we're gonna do a new coil. I think I've got one laying around in my tool pile over there, so we might be able to get away with it, but yeah, that's about it. We put the starter on. The bell housing cover for the bottom of the torque converter, like the cover. What else? Well, she's strapped down. She's ready to go sit in the fucking shed for now, so. Oh yeah. Alrighty.